Evening, you are most welcome back to yet another interesting chapter of our computer lessons. Today we are going to look at how we can insert a table of content. Table of content is very important part of a book. It can be a research book because it guides the reader in the contents and how to move through the book, especially where to find the different contents of the book. So before we insert table of content, we first need to have a document, which I have right here. So I'm opening my document. So after opening my document, when you want to insert a table of content, the document should have the page numbers, but I think when we look at this document here, this document does not have the page number. So we first insert a page number. We insert a page number for this document. We insert the page number. You can insert it at the top left, top bottom. And we at bottom center. So here now our document has a what? Has a page number, such that when a reader is trying to read through your work, the reader is directed to specific pages, okay, of your book with ease. So since now the document has a page numbers, the next thing is to assign reference. To assign headings. So for this, the first heading here is the background. So since it has 2 digits, we are going to assign heading 2. You select all the headings and subheadings, and then you assign different headings for them, heading styles for them. So the course, since it has 3 digits, it is assigned heading style 3. Then transmission of malaria, 3 digits, it is assigned heading style 3. Nature of disease, it is also 3 digits, so we are assigning heading style 3. So you can see one interesting thing from this, as we do the selection of the heading and assigning also the heading styles to the headings. The computer is actually the one doing for us the work, doing the selection. So you can see before you click or you choose the type of heading you want for your title, the computer has already decided it for you. So you do this for all the headings and subheadings in your documents. You selected this, you go this, you have for risk for travelers 3 digits, we selected 3. Precautions 2 digits, the computer has even selected for us, it is 2. This is another heading, we are selecting 3 because it has 3 digits. Here we are selecting also 3 because it is 3 digits. Our work is very simplified because it is already selected for us. We are only following what the computer is doing. So this is 2. This is another heading, 2 digits. So you do it in the entire document. Make sure all the headings and subheadings are assigned heading styles. So you highlight, you select the heading styles. This is 3 digits. I am selecting 3 heading style 3. Then we have also another heading style here, multi-drug resistant malaria, which is 3 digits. So I'm assigning heading style 3. So when you are done assigning every topic, every headline or every topic the headlines, heading styles, then you go to you go to insert. You go to references. You insert the references. Under references, you go to table of contents. Okay. Table of content. Before you go to table of content, you select where you want your table of content to appear. So if we want our table of content, for instance, to appear here, okay, you can create a space, then you insert a table of content. You can insert a automatic table too. Okay, and that is where your table of contents appear. You can see it is appearing there. Okay, so this table of content will guide your reader on the specific on how to navigate specific pages of your document. So you can see here our table of content is already generated automatically here for us after highlighting the headings and the subheadings. You can see. So this is a simple way of how we can generate a table of content. What you need to do is to identify your headings, the headings and the subheadings, and you select the appropriate styling heading styles, and you generate an automatic table of content, just as we have done here. I hope this is useful information for you, and following what we have just done, you should be able to generate your table of content without any difficulty. Thank you very much for listening, and also always checking in for new videos. You are most welcome.